Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein breakfast recipe perfect for weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this healthy breakfast, first I'm soaking a small piece of tamarind and I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons water and allowing the tamarind to soak. And I'm going to keep it aside. I'm using jawar flakes in this recipe. Jawar flakes are also known as jawar poha or jawar aval. For those who are new to jawar poha, this is how it looks. Jawar, also known as sorghum, is a highly nutritious millet and is easily available across India. Jawar is a summer grain and helps to keep your body cool. It is rich in fiber, and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. Jawar helps to manage blood sugar levels, aids in good digestion. Jawar is a good source of protein. It's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, antioxidants and minerals. It is loaded with calcium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, iron and B vitamins. Jawar is gluten-free, hence ideal for those with gluten intolerance. Being a complete carbohydrate, jawar gets digested slowly, hence ideal for those with health issues like diabetes, PCOS and thyroid. The high phytochemical antioxidants in jawar helps to reduce inflammation in the body. So always try to include seasonal grains and millets in your diet for your better health. Into a bowl, I am adding in 1.5 cups of jawar flakes. Into this, I am adding in some water. And I am soaking the jawar flakes for about 5 minutes. While the jawar is soaking, I am getting the other ingredients ready. I have finely chopped 1 medium-sized onion, 1 medium-sized tomato and 2 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease as per your taste. I'll also be using 1 sprig of garden fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate, 1 small carrot which I have grated, and a small piece of ginger which I will be grating in. Since jawar is slightly thick than normal rice poha, you need to soak it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes drain off the water. That is, just put the jawar flakes on a strainer. Okay, now I have strained the jawar flakes and kept it on a strainer. And now let's start making the upma. Like I mentioned earlier, jawar is also a good source of protein, and to make it protein dense, I am using 1/4 cup of raw peanuts. I am heating my cast iron kadai with 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding in 1/4 cup raw peanuts. Give it a stir and lightly roast the peanuts on low to medium flame. And once the peanuts starts to get roasted, add in 1/4 cup roasted chana dal, also known as pottu kadalai in Malayalam. Give it a stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a stir and allow them to get lightly roasted on medium to low flame. And once lightly roasted, remove it to another plate. Healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood pressed oils in your cooking for your better health. Into the same oil, I am adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Next, add in 1/2 teaspoon urad dal, 1/2 teaspoon chana dal and 1/2 teaspoon tur dal. Give it a stir and allow it to get lightly roasted. All these ingredients along with the jawar will make this poha high protein. Add in the chopped onion. Give it a stir. Add in the chopped green chilies. Grate in the ginger and give it a good stir. Since I am using a heavy bottomed cast iron cookware which retains more heat all through the cooking, I will be keeping the flame on the lowest. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida. I am using my homemade asafoetida powder. I have already shared how to make asafoetida powder at home. Please do check it out. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content. 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder Black pepper helps in better assimilation of the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin. So when you're using turmeric, make sure that you use at least a fat pinch of black pepper powder. Give it all a good mix. Add in the garden fresh curry leaves. I'm tearing the leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate, hence I prefer to use them in my recipes. Next I'm adding in the chopped tomato. Give it a stir. Cover and allow the tomatoes to get lightly cooked. Meanwhile, the jawar flakes has completely dried, and as you can see, it is not sticking, it is completely dry. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir. Add in the grated carrot, give it a good stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and mix well. Since the carrot is grated, it will get cooked really fast. Also, for those who have doubts with regard to using tomato in a cast iron cookware, if your cast iron cookware is well seasoned, there is no problem in using tomatoes or tamarind in cast iron cookware, but you may need to remove it from the kadai or pan after cooking. Into this I am adding in the soaked and strained poha. Now you can add in any vegetable of your choice. I just used carrots because that's what I always have at hand. You can add in any green leafy vegetable of your choice, like maybe palak or methi leaves. You can even add in boiled green peas, any vegetable of your choice. And lastly, to give it a sweet and sour taste, I am adding in some soaked tamarind juice. So I used 1 tablespoon of the tamarind juice, half teaspoon jaggery. This is organic melted jaggery, and give it a good mix. Add in the roasted peanuts, and once nicely mixed, turn off the flame. Transfer it to another plate. And lastly, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves on top. And enjoy this healthy, high protein poha upma. So guys, do try this healthy poha upma and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.